Hi, one of my favorite things, a housekeeping hint, do not leave a room empty-handed. I watched my mom during my lifetime and she always had a clean, orderly house. And one of the things that I noticed about her is that she never walked out of a room empty-handed. So today it's after Christmas and we are going to take down the Christmas stockings, and I'm going to take them because I'm walking out of this room and into the kitchen. So let's take the Christmas stockings down. Okay, that one's kind of hard. So we're going to take these stockings and we are going to leave this room and put them away. But that is the key to this that I noticed that my mom does. You just don't take them and walk into the kitchen and plunk them in the kitchen, because now you have a mess in the kitchen. You take these and you actually put them away. So I'm going to put them in the Christmas bin, and that's one thing off my plate. And all I was doing was walking from one room to the next. Great housekeeping advice from my mama. You have a good day.